Craig, are you happy with what you saw tonight?
Yeah, really am. I do like us. I'm biased, of course. I thought moments in the first half we were really top. And then obviously opportunity to make subs. Like we're fully aware that as much as we want to win, we need to make sure that we got players coming through. We need to build a squad. And over Moon, like I was really happy with the ones who come on as well. Type of players, one or two have been with us for a while, one or two haven't. And how they fitted in and how they understood what was asked of them, I thought they were brilliant. So yeah, definitely happy.
What's your opinion on sort of how the game unfolded? I know you mentioned intensity at the start. Those opening sort of 15, 20 minutes looked really impressive. It sensed that things dropped off slightly. Would you agree?
Yeah, probably you know football better than me. I am, without sounding, I thought it got too easy for us. And I thought our players seen that, and I felt they weren't respecting their roles enough by staying in positions. I thought it was nice, we could all get the ball, we can move this, we can move, and you have to respect your position as well because we want to score. I thought it got too comfortable for us. The tempo we were completely controlling, and yeah, just by everyone wanting a touch, we lost that aggressiveness of runs, and we sort of needed to get that back. Obviously, momentum changed the second half because when both teams are allowed to make 10 substitutions each, in 3 different times, it changes. But yeah, I thought there was some really positive moments I have to be happy with.
Can I ask you about Lewis Kumas, his first international goal, and my word, what a cross that was from Nico as well.
Yeah, brilliant cross. But we had a lot of opportunities. We had a lot. If that was anything negative, we needed to be a lot more clinical. But look, Kumi, even if you watch how he was able to press and change the speed, and he grew in as it got going, he deserved that just on his work rate alone. And we all know he has a lot of ability. So delighted for him to get his first goal, but it was really well deserved from him tonight.
Finally, Craig, obviously these 2 games will offer you brilliant learning opportunities looking ahead to what's to come. So what did you learn tonight?
I learned that the squad keeps adding. We keep getting bigger, and we have to. And listen, I'm not going to see a lot of these players go through, and they're going to be for someone else. But that's the responsibility. We have to keep the health within the squad and keep adding players. There was, 1 or 2 other players could have made debuts from the bench today. One did make from the bench, and we were able to, I could bring Brennan on, but we need to see Isaac. We know what Brennan can do. Now let's see what Isaac can do, because we need to add to that. And apart from 1 or 2 of his missed chances, he's a lot better than that. But he played really, really well as well. So to me, there was a lot of players that were able to come in that have been on the fringes, haven't quite. And I'm actually coming away of, they can challenge.